The smart meter upgrade project at Atlantic City Electric is about changing out all the residential, commercial, and industrial meters throughout our service territory. It includes the network to move data back to our billing and operations systems, as well as 550,000+ meters being changed out from rotary meters to electronic meters to be able to capture real-time data for our customers and use that to leverage better customer service, better storm response, better billing information. In addition to the reliability benefits, there's some improved customer information tools that will provide energy usage information for our customers. The residential meters are being changed out by our business partner CCI, working in cooperation with our workforce development team to give some folks local and underserved communities opportunities to change their lives. The CCI technician will pull the old meter off and replace it with a new electronic meter that's able to connect to the Smart Energy Network. There'll be a brief interruption of power for the customer of no more than a couple minutes. 30 days prior to the meter installation, the customer will receive a postcard giving a brief overview of what the program is about and what it's going to look like the day that they have their meter changed. 14 days prior, they'll receive a letter in the mail, and if they've signed up for emails in our system, they'll receive an email as well, giving them a little bit more detail and letting them know that the installation is getting closer. 7 days prior to the meter installation, the customers can expect to receive an automated call letting them know that the installation is getting closer. If they're signed up in our system for other options, they will also receive a text message and a push notification through the Atlantic City Electric application. The day of customer's meter upgrade, what they can expect to see is that a technician from CCI will approach their house, knock on their door. The technician will then leave a door hanger, either explaining that they have changed the meter or giving them the opportunity to call and make an appointment if they were unable to change the meter for some reason.